Hi, this is John Doe with the weather update. We have snow in Butler, PA on 2/16/25. The snow is here. Do not go outside. Do not even open your front beeping door. Do not attempt to go outside. I hope you have beep and toilet paper already, because if you go outside, you will beep, beep, and die. Do not. Oh, look at that truck. That's a nice truck. Good tire pressure. That's the John Doe Mobile Motorologist Mobile. The weather mobile. Beep, beep. Back to the weather. Beep, beep. Mother beep. There's shit for the birds. Beep, beep. Beep, beep. Kiss my beep, beep. Someone get a shovel and shovel this beep, beep, beep out of my beeping driveway. I'll give you $1.50. Thank you. Have a good day.